moves fast around us. Sometimes it feels like a blur. We pass each other and make judgments of each other constantly. You're doing it right now, seeing this woman across the street. We cross and recross, but rarely connect. We struggle to understand each other, so we don't trust each other. I know your name, but I don't know who you are. You know my name, but do you know my story? What if suspicion, fear, and prejudice were replaced by understanding, respect, love, and trust? What would help us see beyond our perceptions? Story. Our stories are what make us human. Stories have the power to overcome our perceptions, to show the heart of Christ's message for us to love one another. Sharing a story isn't hard. It's a simple human act, connecting us deeper to people we already know. Reach out, ask, invite, then listen. Truly listen. There's something beautiful waiting to be heard. Stories have the power to overcome our perceptions. They help us understand. Stories bring healing. Ask, listen, tell. It's our way of building our nation. Heartlines has developed resources to help you on this journey in your workplace, at your school, church, and in your home. These resources will empower you to build understanding, trust, and reconciliation through personal storytelling. Imagine if we were part of a powerful wave of change, one story at a time. We all have a story to tell. What's your story?